Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another topic. Today my topic is, you can see here, it is front loader washing machine, brand white SUPERGENARAL, 10 kg washer and 6 kg dryer. The model wise SGW10650 CBCMDD. This model, this machine having problem. Actually this machine totally dead, that means it's not working at all. While we are giving power, at the same time it's occurring some error message, also display not coming properly. Because of that I'm going to repair this machine now. I will show you how to repair and we will go to the next step. You can see here, this is a beautiful machine. Actually display and everything, it is very nice, but the thing is at the moment it's not working. Now I already given power connection. You can see here it's already came a display. Dear friends, this is the complaint with this machine. EA1 also is showing ADS, and display it is its timer, it's showing going increasing and decreasing, and door getting locked also. So it's buzzering, it's coming EA1, also ADS, and it is timer showing, also display coming, and at the same time it's going within few seconds. You can hear the noise, it's display coming. It is EA1 coming continuously, and also drum light also coming, and at the same time it's disappear. This is the complaint with this machine. Now we have to check display PCB, also main control board. After that only we can recognize the problem exactly. After troubleshooting, we have to repair this machine and we will go to the next step. Now dear friends, I'm going to remove the top cover. Here 2 screws I have to unscrew. Also this one. Now I can take it out. Yes. You can see the machine friend. Now we have to remove this one. I will remove the detergent drawer here. Also here 2 screws I have to unscrew again. Now it's okay. Also here 2 screws also I have to unscrew. Now we can take the panel with the display PCB. I have to disconnect here. This is drum light. Also here you can see, dear friends, the problem. This one it is already, insects are gone here, cockroach here and there. Now we have to remove this one, and we have to clean properly. After that we will try to fix if it is working okay. Otherwise we have to replace the main control, the display PCB. Anyway, we will first try to resolve this issue. We will remove this one and we will clean. After that we will check if it is okay, no issue. Otherwise we have to go for the new one, but I'm thinking it will be okay. After cleaning it will be okay. Now you can see it is this is the display PCB. It should come all the, after opening, after on, it should come all the pictures. This is all touch system. Now we will clean this one first. After that, here you can see it is too much insects are gone here and there. Now I am going to clean this display PCB. After you can see here it is too much. Actually, it is too much dirty. That's mean cockroaches 100% is gone here and there. Also, they damage this one. I will clean this one first. After that, we will try it is working or not. It should work actually. Anyway, we will try. Now dear, it is, you can see it is very clean. All the dirt already removed. The IC points also it is very clean. All the ICs, this is chips, processor chip, everything. After cleaning, I'm fixing again. Now we will try with the power. Just there. Now I will try. After cleaning, I fix everything. Now I will give the power connection. Now it should work actually. Also I will check. Now you can see here it is display already came. Also we will try with the options. Yes dear, it is all the options are working properly. Now I will select here direct spin cycle and I will start the machine. It is 8 minutes are showing through the display. Door already got locked. Pump also working. You can see dear friends, drum already rotating. That's mean motor got start. Yes dear, you can see without any error message now working machine. The earlier problem with the display PCB, this PCB is not showing again EA1 error message. Problem with the communication error. Now machine is running well. You can see. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.